Welcome.
Welcome to Dumbass. My name is Skull Titties.
My name is. What's my name?
No!
My name is the Mantis, and this is Fred. Fredward. Freddy the Fred.
And our stunt so far is called Dick Smasher. And we are going to use this putty and hit Joe. Okay, hand the camera back to him.
No, back to Fred. And okay.
Yeah.
These guys are the titty boys. So what they're gonna do is hit him in the pussy.
You gotta go over here.
They're gonna hit him right there.
Open your arms. Okay, he's gonna test one back up.
And there you go. That's
Can this putty hurt someone?
Yes.
Yes, it can.
Welcome.
That is the end of the first episode to Dumbass.